Assalomu alaykum obunachilar, yaxshimisizlar? Ko'rishmaganimizga ham ancha bo'ldi. Sizlar bilan qachondan beri video olganim yo'q. Xush kelibsizlar yana men yangina videomga. Bugun Delis o'ynaymiz. Bolalar o'yinimga unchalik e'tibor bermaysizlar, chunki bolalar Delis yana hozir oldim. Mana bu kerak bizniki. Bolalar rostdan lekin gapim hozir oldimda Delisini. O'sha uchun hozir boshladim. O'yinimga unchalik nima qilmaysizlar. O'zim bilganda o'ynayman. Bossamiz. Hop. Agar shu klubni yutsam, mani kanalimga obuna bo'lasizlar. Gol. Liverpool başka kalacak. İyi mantık abi. Çıkma. Çık git.
Keeper plays it short.
Abola devam ettiramiz kardeşim. Bola lekin gol verishi mumkin edi. Yellow card. Sariq berishdi bola menga. Szczesny, qani udari Szczesny. Shop. Nico pas. Yürü. O Szczesny. Bilsam tonigan toniydi bu Barsani varata bo'lish Szczesny. Ibi bola vaydani. Shtanga tegib qoldi va bola. Qan. Gol verish kerak lekin. Bilgandim o'z tashashini har doim shunaqa qiladi. Hadi. İbi yürü. İyi o gol bo'ladi lekin. İbi gol. Vay 1-1. Bola agar o'yinga yutsam, videoga like bo'lsa, men kanalimga obuna bo'lasizlar. Mavraçka. Başı pas veriyorduk o. Daha. İbi. Birinchi taym tugadi, ikkinchi taymga. Bir reklama koydum. Resume qani ketdik. Sekingina beramiz. Ma ushla. Nimacha pas beryapti bu? Butes. Tepmaydi. Komp. Nico pas. Chamberlains. Szczesny. Bosa Szczesny. Çıkmasın. Çıkma. Çıktı. Barber çıktı. Falandak. Be. Şunu yapmışlar valla. Vol. Bir yana çıktı ve nimam cevap verildi. I don't know.
Large and moving down the flanks.
Yotoldu. Yamalga o'xshab.
He failed to connect with that tackle. Oh, and dispossessed there.
Yana deb penalti ketdilar.
Taking the ball out wide.
Shuncha harakatdan so'ng o'yinchini almashtiramiz. Bu yoqqa qaytarmayman.
Corner played short. Oh, well timed.
Davay yutishim kerak.
Long throw.
Chunki sizlar menga obuna va videoimga like bosishinglar
But
kerak.
anything can still happen.
Shuning uchun albatta yutishga harakat qilaman. Ibi. Bola.
Player who's making it all
Vashi lekin bo'ldi. Pas be Ibi bola. O'zi qancha unut vaqt qoldi. Ay bola. Zato qo'ymasam baribir olgan o'ynaymiz bola.
They've won control of the ball.
Agar bironta o'yinga qolsam, obuna bo'lmay
Missed.
mayli like bosmasliginglar mumkin. Lekin agar yutsam yoki teng bo'lsa ham baribir obuna bo'lib like bosasizlar.
Poor effort goes wide.
Bitta qizil kartochka ham o'lim bo'la. Ashira bor udar bilan bostam chezni. Qaytar. Bu sar точно egasiga bordi. Böyle vaqt tugadi cho'q. Doyda, oxay shu endi ketayotgan g'azatda qolmadim bunlar. Buni senga albatta yutishga harakat qilamiz. Buni nima qilish kerak endi? Hozir reklama qo'yish. Bildi bola, chiqamiz. Yerda bo'lsamiz, Real Madrid. Nima
They're waiting. On with this lineup. Passed around.
Git.
Dribbles with the ball.
Hop. Davay.
He
Shu
dribbles the
hujum
ball forward.
gol bo'lishiga harakat qilaman bolalar. Ba'zi payt ko'p baland beryapti, ba'zi payt ko'p sekin beryapti.
He's on the move.
Ben maqlaydi.
He's in control. What a chance. Solanke.
Davay. Bolalar sizlar uchun qaranglar. Bu gol sizlarga atalgan gol.
He's a fantastic.
Ibi. Bola. Ay, varataga qarasi tepman. Qaranglar. Bos.
Put the throw.
Bos.
Surely now.
Ibi. Varataga tepman. Vay dana, bola sizlar uchun albatta gol uraman hozir. To'xtab turinglar. Bu gol o'xshamay qoldi, chunki varata bunga tegdi-da, bola. Vay dana, bola.
And he's won it back for his
Da, ketdik.
great dribbling. Will we see a goal?
Bola, bu gol sizlar uchun. Gol, bola, gol. Yo.
Let's take
Ronaldo'da sirpanalak bo'lsa, yellow card.
Passed it back. They've won control of the ball. Good ball control.
Brachka. Ibi. Ana o'tib, endi depini olmoqchi ekan, bir olib ketaydi uni bosmasam ham. Chunki u chirilib qoldi-da, ular.
He's got control of the
Harakat
ball.
etdi. Ibi gol.
A golden chance. Stunning
Oh,
save there.
Shezni. Ibi.
The first half ends and it's 1-0. A narrow lead for one of the teams. That could all change in the next 40
İkinci tayfını reklam klote.
5 minutes.
Bolasına kimlere bitti gol.
They're winning. Can they stay in control for the next 45 minutes? He comes forward with the ball. The attacker is in possession. Can he get it on target?
Albatta Slavcu
Gets it to safety. Poor attempt to win
En
the
iyi
ball.
futbolcuydım. Lekin bu gol bevastı bana. Çünkü nima
Moving the
bo'lganda
ball forward.
chetdan kelgandim yangitakida
This
ishlanga
player's
tegib
taking
bo'lishi
charge and
mumkin edi.
moving down the flanks. Perfectly executed.
Chiqdi.
Tactical change here then. With the caliber of players on the bench, I'm not surprised the manager will be making some substitutions.
Ayni o'yinga
Need to defend well here. So, the free kick then. The ref has shown him a yellow card. He'll have to work on his discipline. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Dribbles with the ball. He loves to run with the ball. What a chance! Can he beat the goalkeeper? Target.
Slavchini. Bola Slavchi yana bitta gol urishga harakat qilaman. Lekin aniq ayta olmayman
This player
chunki
will come off with a new one will
vaqt
take to
ham
the
kam
pitch.
qoldi.
He steps up to steal the ball.
Bu tarafga chiqadi, bu taraf.
He dribbles the ball forward.
Yana kim bu?
He's starting
O'tib
forward,
manga,
using the
o'tib
width of the
manga.
pitch. A strong tackle, and that was a foul all day long.
Almashtirlo. Ey, yaz. Cho'nga ham tegdi shuni.
Well read. Not a great challenge.
Sariq kartochka. Bolashidan pramo gol uradi. Ma.
I want to add to their lead here.
Kimga tasavvur?
Wins the ball.
Ibi.
He's in control.
Qayta.
The ref has to do something here.
Mayli.
And the referee has no choice. It's another yellow
Qizil
card,
kartochka
and he's off.
bittasi.
Looks like the players listen to the manager's team talk and playing with confidence. He's on the move. Oh, it's an opening here. A determined tackle. Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now. Skillful pass. That was a terrible challenge. The ref won't like that. Throw in here.
Nelson sariq kartochka oldi menimcha.
Long throw there.
Ushla. 5 minut.
Great dribbling. Played wide. And it's opened up here. The player was tripped in the box. Penalty. The referee brings out a second yellow card, and he'll play no further part in this game.
Gol
The
bo'ldi.
tap on the goal is where your goalkeeper will attempt to save
Masha
the
taqin
penalty.
tartib.
He's
Ibi
done it.
bola 2-1.
What a difference the sub has
Aynen
made. He
penaltı
scored.
belirdi.
A chance to have a better
Goal.
look here.
Ben bu tarafga koyuyorum.
It was so
Ah,
evenly
wow.
matched, but they show they had a bit more about them and won 2-1.
Böyle bola streamimiz ham tugadi, o'yin ham tugadi. Mana 2-1 sizlar uchun g'olib bo'ldim. Endi kanalga obuna bo'lib, like bosish esdan chiqmasin. Sog' bo'linglar, sog' salomat bo'linglar.